Hey guys, it's Dan Froke here, and yes, MailBot is amazing. It's an AI email assistant that pays you $100 instantly and promotes multiple offers for you. And I'm making $100 over and over again, and many other people are doing the same, as you can see in our team Discord group. But today, I want to talk to you about something that you're not going to hear from anyone else, my exclusive team bonus. For a limited time, when you join MailBot using my affiliate link in the description below, I'm going to add your MailBot link to my paid traffic rotator for 30 days. That means for the next month, I'm going to personally send you top tier 1 traffic from one of the best solo ad vendors in our space today, Alessandro Serra. This is quality top tier 1 traffic that I've been using for over 3 years with great success. I've made a lot of money with it. I've won some awards, and now, for a limited time, I'm going to jumpstart your new side hustle with quality traffic for free on me. Now, in case you just stumbled upon this video and you really don't know what MailBot is, here's a quick breakdown of it. It's an AI email assistant that replies instantly to every lead. It has real, natural conversations that close sales for you. And you can promote up to 3 of your very favorite affiliate offers in every reply. It follows up daily until they buy. It sends them payment instructions to pay you $100 instantly. And this is really unique. You don't need a members area or complicated logins. It's all run through email. And if you want to learn all the FAQs, I'll leave my full MailBot review at the end of this video, and it looks like this. Now here's the kicker. Normally, you'd have to buy traffic yourself, but when you use my link below, you don't. Because I'm literally paying out of my own pocket to send you quality top tier 1 traffic to your MailBot link to help you make these $100 payments right out of the gate. For 30 days, your link gets exposed to the same quality traffic that I've been using for years. And this isn't junk traffic or bot traffic. This is top tier 1 solo ad traffic from Alessandro Serra, the guy I trust with my own money. And here's the deal, guys. I don't know how long I'm going to do this. It's not cheap. But right now, if you move fast, I'll put you in. I am very serious about this. I want to help you make these $100 payments. But this bonus could disappear at any time. Once I hit the limit on how much traffic I'm willing to buy out of my own pocket, it's over. So if you're seeing this right now, act fast, because this is how you get a real edge over everyone else promoting MailBot. Here's exactly what I want you to do right now. Click the link in the description of this video to activate your MailBot. Once I see you're in, I'll get your MailBot link and drop it straight into my paid traffic rotator. And for the next 30 days, you'll get top tier 1 traffic working for you 24/7. MailBot already pays $100 instantly. Now combine that with my traffic bonus, and you're going to get a real shot of making sales right out of the gate. So don't wait. Click the link below, grab MailBot, lock in your free traffic before I shut this down.